Okay guys, good afternoon. We're currently on the gold daily time frame chart. We're bullish on gold. Gold has made a huge move to the upside. I do not have a count on, where is it? Okay, forex.com, cool. Okay. So my count is saying we are currently in the fifth wave of the green. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is extremely bullish because we didn't enter the prior fourth wave territory. Unless, even if I did that, we didn't enter it. Okay, it's cool. We definitely had an accumulation in there. We're definitely impulsive to the upside. Yeah. This is potentially a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go down, or 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's that. Go down to the 4 hour. And regardless of whether this is a 2 or a 4, let's just get into our local. Okay. Now, if this move was corrective, I can't tell which one. Hold on. Just the low. The first one is the low. Okay. So I'm using the channel from the beginning of our potential 1 to the end of 2. 1 second. I'm sure the middle one. Okay, this is my high. Hold on, I don't know. I'm gonna go with this high, and then I'm gonna say A, B, C. It could be this high. I'm gonna go with this one. And that seems to suit nicely. As you can see, we're showing resistance at the top of the trend line, or support at the top of the channel, right? Potentially, I believe this is a 1, a 2, and a 3. We broke out the channel Elliott waves. That means 3 is on the way. So still bullish here for gold. Looking for a 3, 4, 5. It's not a tradable area. I wouldn't trade this zone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. It's that type of behavior I'm expecting here. It's Monday, okay? So we've also got the potential of a false move week beginning. This is not where you want to be jumping in trades. For gold, currently, I'm afraid it's not. You want high probability setups with good risk to reward. Gold is not providing that today. Not currently. We've yet to see the 50 EMA. So the price doesn't have to. Often it does. On a 1 hour time frame, we get such a big extended move. Last time we was at the 50 EMA was 5 days ago. It's likely to at least ping it before continuing. Or we could come below it. We could even get down here. Hold on. Let's find our 0.618 with this move. So if 3 is where 3 is, so if we don't go and make another high before we start coming lower, a common area for 4, the smaller 4, is between the 0.382 and a 50% retracement. What we cannot do is hit this 618. It would invalidate the fourth wave and we'd have to look for a different count. So since it's got quite a bit of space, it can go down. And it could even go up before going down. I'm not interested in gold. I'm not interested in gold, to be honest with you. I don't want to. All I can do is say this. We could do this. Then we can keep going. Or we could do this and then come back down in the 3. Okay. Which could be our 4 here or our 4 here. Then, we can come up, even come down again and go up again. And this could be the bigger 4. This could be that 4. There's a few things price can do here. I wouldn't touch it, honestly. Let's wait and see what happens. Maybe during the Asian session or by 5, 6 o'clock today. See where price is at. If we did get price, in this area, in there, even close to the 618, and then I see anything like this. So say price did, I'm not saying it will, but if it did come down there and give it any signs of accumulation, break structure, I'm buying that, providing we don't touch the 618. I'm definitely buying it. Stop loss will be at the 618 or the low created before the break structure, and I'll be aiming for a high above the prior third wave. So I'll be aiming to take out this level. But until we get anything like that, I don't like to over speculate. What I need to take a trade, those requirements have not been met. If we was to keep going up and say reach the high daily range, which is this red line here, if you look here, it says high ADR. That's the high average daily range. And then we were to get signs of distribution. Break a low, break another low, pull back, then I'll sell that. I'll be selling that. Just as like a change from bullishness to bearishness. You might want another confirmation, then take that trade, that retracement, take that to the downside, and I'd be taking it to this zone as you see right now. We could redefine that or further define that when we get more price action. So that's gold for now. I think I should really do silver as well from now. Look at silver. Because sometimes gold will snitch on silver and silver will snitch on gold. Sometimes they will fool you and they will move in total opposite directions. Or more so, silver will hold while gold goes higher, or gold will hold while silver goes lower. That's often common. I'm seeing the same thing here. I'm seeing a 1, 2, potentially 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2. There's a lot that could be happening here. I want to take these off. I want to draw a channel from the potential beginning of 1 to the end of 2. It helps me to see how price is moving. Give me a sec. Where's the high? Okay. Right there. That will do. Currently, for me, I'll put it there like that for now while we further investigate. We've hit the common target for NABC. What we could be doing here, if we were to come down, and into this price territory here, that could still be a 4, but it's not a fourth wave in the impulse. It would be a potential diagonal in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you'd expect a 3-wave decline before continuing higher. And this is me automatically assuming, just realized, because I have not looked at the higher count here yet. I'm assuming it was like gold, and we can't assume like that. So yeah, potentially it is on the same path as gold, just not as bullish, obviously. Okay, great. Fourth wave does not encroach on 1. Okay, new wave 5, cool, which is a 3, then a 4. Where's the prior 2 wave? The prior green 2 wave. So currently not feeling the 4, green 4, when I compare it to the green 2 in time. I think this is one. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. So I could have my count wrong. It could be correct, and that ends up being our 4. Or we could be like A, B, C, come down again, then go higher. If that happens, then it could be silver snitching on gold, but I don't know. But realistically in here, 1, 2, 3, I'm looking for further upside first. I don't think silver's gonna come all the way down there. The count, I want to look at the count again quickly. That's why I'm on the daily. We've also got potential of a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2. Hold on. Okay, that's not valid. I like this count. I just don't like the 4. Okay, well, yeah, not too clear ones. Got silver. If I was to trade this, I'd be looking for buys. Just let's have that clear. If I was to trade this, I'll be looking for buys. I preferably like to see price come in here and give me an accumulation down here to take it higher. This looks nice. I'd like this. Doesn't mean we're gonna get that. You can see how close we are to the 50 static over there. 1 hour is already outside the volatility band and approaching oversold. I mean, if we get that, it looks like we may be looking for buys over here at the low daily range, which will suit this internal black count if we were to be impulsive. Third wave would be shorter. No, it's not shorter than 1. The third wave hasn't seen the 1618. It doesn't have to. And then again, it could be we could have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, then 5. So ultimately, if price gives an accumulation even here, either of them, okay, I'm looking for a buy on silver. It's as simple as that. There is nothing else on that I can really say right now. We've been saying we're bullish on XAUUSD, decided to look at that, having a look at it, and we've continued to be bullish. The news at 12:30 came up people down just to come back up, reaccumulating, is continuing up. So that's it for now. I'll be back later to give you anything else I might see on the charts. If you would like to get regular updates, put the notifications on, subscribe, leave a comment on anything you want me to check on in the comments, or any type of videos on technical analysis you would like me to do. And I'll get back to you. Yeah? Peace.